here. Go ahead and show you guys. So this is the front pipe. Nice quality welds. This little stamp right here. Welds are nice. This is flexible. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Just set this aside here. And then we have the front pipe. And you are able to use the OEM heat shield on this. But yeah, guys, this is the downpipe. Should be able to make some more power and a nicer exhaust note. But yeah, guys, we're able to utilize the heat shield. Set this down here. It comes with 2 gaskets. The bolts you need to install it. I'm not quite sure what this flange is for. I'll have to look into it. And then it has this, I don't know if it's called a bung or a bong. A bung. This is where the existing O2 sensor goes. So I'm guessing this goes here. Let's see, put this on here. To be able to set your O2 sensor in here. I'll go ahead and tighten that in a bit. Hardware here. There's 3 of these, so I'm guessing these ones go to the end of the front pipe where it meets with the Gretty exhaust. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on taking the stock downpipe and front pipe. Alright guys, so this is a side-by-side comparison of the new SKUNK2 downpipe and then the stock downpipe with the cat and the front pipe compared to the stock front pipe. And you could definitely see this is much thicker. It's 3-inch as opposed to 2.5-inch. And I had to run to the hardware store to pick up a oxygen sensor remover. I tried using a crescent wrench and it didn't work, so I ended up picking that. And I'm gonna go ahead and take the O2 sensor, put it on here, and then take the heat shield and transfer it over to the new downpipe and go ahead and reinstall the new front pipe downpipe combo. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that off camera, and then I'll get back to you guys when I'm ready to install the new exhaust. But yeah, stay tuned.